Hey everybody, these are the instructions for consumer education for Monday, April 27th. So let's take a look at our objectives for today. Okay, and I think I put the wrong dates. I must have put the wrong dates on here, so I'm going to change that real quick. This is for the 27th and 28th. Yeah, I did put the wrong dates. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is you guys are going to be working on the next lesson, which is major expenditures. It's a longer note-taking guide, so I'm going to give you 2 days to complete that. And then you're going to turn that into Cami on Tuesday. It will be due Tuesday at 3 p.m., so at the end of the day on Tuesday. So today, you will be just doing pages 1 through 3 on the note-taking guide, which has to do only with housing. And tomorrow, Tuesday, you will be doing day 2, which is 2 pages of transportation and 1 page of food. It has to be handwritten again. You're going to use the major expenditure info sheet for the information that you need to complete the note-taking guide. But again, you do not have to turn this in until Tuesday. So let's take a look at this. This is the note-taking guide. This is the info sheet. Okay, the info sheet is 7 pages. Now remember, today you're just doing housing. So you're going to read through here. It goes through what you need to do if you want to rent your first apartment or home, how you would go about doing that, what are the terms, what is rent, tenant, a landlord, different expenses that you will have to pay if you're renting. Then it goes into home ownership if you actually buy a home and what you need to do with that, some of the terms that have to do with that, what a real estate agent will do for you, how much of a down payment you have to put down, what type of insurance you need. So it's about 3.5 pages on the note-taking guide for the first day, which is home, housing expense. And then Tuesday, you're going to be doing transportation. So it talks about public transportation, taking public transportation, purchasing an automobile, what everything that is included with that, meaning your payment. You have to get license, registration, insurance, what depreciation means on your car, how do you use credit and get a loan, the different ratings of cars. And then the last page has to do with purchasing food. Okay. Difference between the cost of preparing food at home and eating food in restaurants, the nutritional value, etc. Okay, so all of this, you're going to be doing half today, half tomorrow. Let's take a look at your note-taking guide. Okay, so here is the first page on major expenditures. So the first page is on renting a home. Okay, and it goes through this. Then midway through page 2, it switches to housing, purchasing a home, and that's it. So 3 pages for Monday, and then Tuesday you're going to be doing transportation, and then 2 pages of transportation, and the last day is food. Okay, I will not be doing a screencast separately tomorrow. This is the screencast for both days. So you'll be completing that and turning this into me by 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Okay, if you have any questions, just send me an email. Have a great day.